Hi again, it's me and Mai. Say hi, Mai.
Hello, everybody.
Now, this is the Adeline Hornbeck's homestead from the 1830s, I believe. She lived up here by herself with 4 children, had a whole bunch of acreage. Honey, this way. And that was her dugout right up here, and that's where we're going to go first. Oh, to be so young again.
Come on, buddy.
Honey, I'm
Why?
filming you.
Huh?
I'm filming you.
Okay, hello. Go, Tamper. Come on. Look at this flower, oh.
Everything to my lovely wife is a flower, even though that's a weed. But it is beautiful, you have to admit that.
Look at him. He's peeing the flowers.
He's watering the flowers.
Watering the flowers.
Honey,
What?
go ahead and tell your family what this place is. The view is better from up here.
Actually, I don't know this place. You explain me what's this place. What is this, honey?
This is called a dugout.
Huh?
This is a dugout. They used to have this to keep their stuff cool in the summer. Okay? And it also gave them protection from bad weather.
Para siyang ano.
And
Parang
unfortunately
kuweba.
it's locked.
It's like a cave.
Here you go. That's the homestead over there.
Oh my God, napagod ako.
She's out of wind, people. That's what you get for running at 9,000 feet.
Yun ang kotse namin, no?
Let's walk over to the homestead.
Are we not going up there?
No, it's closed.
Okay.
Tell them about what you were saying before.
You told them already, right? About the house?
Yeah, but it's your turn in Tagalog.
Okay. Teka lang. Wait. I need to breathe. Yung isa-isang bahay na yan, sa gitna ng mountain. Ayan, ang mountain. And, dito ako sa gitna ng mountain. Ngayon, yan, kita nyo naman. Isa lang ang bahay dito. Yung bahay na yan is first house that build in this place. Kasi nung unang panahon, dito daw sa lugar na to, mga lalaki lang ang pwedeng magkaroon ng properties. Katulad ng mga land, mga houses. So, itong babae na to, may asawa siya. Ngayon yung asawa niya namatay na. Eh, syempre, meron silang property. Ngayon, kakailanganin ng gobyerno na kuhanin sa kanya yung property kasi babae siya. Pero pinaglaban niya. Pinaglaban niya yung karapatan niya. Kaya, hindi niya give up yung property niya. Kaya naging popular siya. Kasi siya yung kauna-unahang babae na ipinaglaban yung property niya. Ang pangalan niya is, what's his name, again, honey? What's her name again? Adeline Hornbeck. Kaya, itong property na to is tourist spot na siya ngayon. Yan, nakita nyo naman yung bahay. Still looks new, pero sobrang oldie na talaga siyang bahay na siya. Para siyang, gawa siya sa kahoy. Tapos makita nyo, wala talagang ibang bahay dito. Yung kotse namin nakapark, ayun, yun ang mga parking area. Tapos yung isang maliit na kubo doon, yun ang toilet. Pag gusto mong mag-CR, yan, pwede kang pumunta doon.
And right here, there's a hole in the ground.
Ayan. May nakita kaming, marami, actually, honey,
What
there's
lives
a lot
in there
of holes.
is groundhogs.
What's that?
It's a thing about the size of Thumper that lives underground.
Oh, really?
Yep.
But I saw a lot of holes, honey.
Yeah, that's because there's
some of the holes are there.
little
it's all over.
tunnels all over the place underground.
Oh, okay.
So, Adeline Hornbeck was one of the original settlers to this area in the 1800s, and
Honey, look at these plants. What are these?
weeds.
Weeds?
And
like, something grow.
And she lived here with 4 children. She had some problems at first because they didn't let women own land back then. And her husband died on their tramp out here, but she managed to keep her place and actually grew it to a 280 acre farm
the
in her
house.
time.
Ah, you mean we can go inside?
No, but you can look through the windows.
Okay.
Okay, your turn, baby. Honey?
What? Ah, honey, what's this ha?
It's an old wagon.
Ah, ito yung old wagon na tinatawag na ginagamit nila for travel, like kotse, mga ganon, para siyang kotse noong unang panahon, pero wagon siya. Yan, ni-reserve na nila, pinapreserve na nila. Nakita niyo yung mga bahay, ayan, oh. Nakalock na siya ngayon kasi for tourist na lang siya. Ayan. First time namin dito. Walang masyadong tao dito. My God, nakakatakot pag iniwan ako mag-isa dito ng asawa ko. Buti na lang mabait ako, behave ako. Sobrang mahal na mahal niya ako. Kaya hindi niya ako iniwanan. Oh, this is the main house.
Yes, back
So
in
what
the
are
day.
those little houses there?
Storage. Tool
Oh, tus.
and
Itong bahay na to, storage lang siya. Kumbaga storage siya ng mga pagkain nila, ng mga gamit nila. Ayan. Tapos, ito talaga yung main house. Ah.
part of the house right here used to be the pump house where the water would come in.
Ah, okay.
They didn't actually have internal pump.
Oh, ito daw yung pump house. Hindi lang kami makapasok sa loob kasi lock na siya dahil nga syempre ini-store na nila 'yan. Pine-preserve na nila. Silip tayo sa loob.
Not much to see in that.
No, you can. Oh. Okay. Okay. Para din siyang ordinaryong bahay, may mga cabinet, ganun. Pero ang laki talaga ng lugar na to. Grabe. Kung titingnan mo, maliit lang siya. Pero sobrang lawak. Nakita mo naman, oh. Oh my God. Ang ganda-ganda nitong lugar na to.
This would have been one of the rooms.
Ito yung isang... sumisilip lang kami sa window. Oh, ayan, oh. Sumisilip lang kami sa window niya. Kasi nga hindi na kami makapasok.
And this would have been another like sitting room.
Maganda ba, honey? Is it beautiful?
No, there's not much in there.
Silip ako. Silip ako sandali. Oh, oo nga, no?
See the wood burning stove?
Oo.
Stay warm.
Oh, makikita mo talaga yung yung meron silang parang parang pampainit ng pag yung nagwi-winter, meron silang pugon. May pugon sila sa loob pero hindi katulad ng mga ngayon, mga makabagong pugon. Pag yung pampainit sa pag dumadating ng snow, meron silang pugon sa loob na very old talagang antique na.
140 years.
Oh, there's another hole here, honey, oh. Look at that hole. Oh my God. Para siyang pumupunta dyan yung mga hayop na ibig sabihin may mga hayop na nakatira dito, na nakatira sa lupa.
I don't know if you can see in here better.
See?
The floors and the walls back then were rough hewn. They weren't polished like they are now.
Hindi makita eh. You can see in camera, but I can see it. Oo nga. Meron siyang pugon. Tsaka cute siya. Ang bahay na to. Maganda. No, we cannot go in, honey. Oh, meron ding mga dumating na tao. Siguro mamamasyal din sila. Ayan.
This was the kitchen.
Oh. Ganda. Ito yung main entrance. Ayan. Tapos dito yung kitchen. Sa window lang kami sumisilip kasi oh, maganda. Hindi ko makita masyado kasi buti na lang binubuksan nila yung bintana kahit papano. Okay. Tapos siguro pag winter dito sobrang lamig talaga. Ganito ay tsura ng ng bahay ng asawa ko. Honey, your place is also like this?
Yeah, kind of, sort of. You'll see that later.
Okay.
These were. This
You
was a
did,
long. This was a long time ago. Yep. So this movie's hit 10 minutes, so we're gonna sign off now. And there's my saying bye, and me, and Thumper. So we'll see you in the next one.